Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You already have the essentials: admin rights, drivers, and the toolkit. Start by connecting the target device directly, Ethernet or USB, and check the link light and IP address. Once done, open the toolkit and select the device from the discovery list. This prevents mismatches later. Now choose a basic scan profile so you can gather an inventory without overwhelming logs. This first pass gives a snapshot of interfaces, services, and firmware, which you need before more invasive checks. Next, run focus scans, port and service sweeps that include TCP 22, 80, 443, and common UDP ports to find active endpoints. As the scanner runs, export results to CSV or JSON so you can filter by anomaly, version, or open port. Once you see mismatched firmware or unexpected services, use the toolkit's remediation actions. Apply patches, schedule firmware updates, or restart specific services to reduce attack surface. Make sure to dock to finish, rescan the device to validate that ports closed, services stopped, and firmware updated correctly. This confirms your actions succeeded. Once verified, save a final snapshot and create a rollback plan. Include timestamps and configuration notes, so you can recover quickly if something breaks. If you run into failures, check the toolkit logs, retry the task in safe mode, or restore the snapshot. These steps isolate the problem and minimize downtime, which is why you saved snapshots in the first place.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.